So, viewers, the next question we'll be treating is number 4 that says 50 over 32 raised to power minus one whole number 1 over 2. Okay, it's a nice one. So, let's attend it. So, uh, when you have such question, if you look at the question, you are going to observe that the power is what? A negative index, and it's also containing a mixed fraction. So, the first thing you do is to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. All right, so we'll have 50 over 32, okay, raised to power minus, how to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction is the denominator times the whole number. 2 times 1 is 2 plus the numerator 3. So you have 3 over 2, okay. So at this point, you don't rush to begin to solve. You check. Since the fraction here is 3 over 2, it means that the denominator, which is 2, is the one that is going to form the root. And if 2 is forming root, to be square root, I don't think that 50 and 32 are perfect square. So you check that first so that you don't rush the question and make mistake. So you check the numbers, because mathematics does not lie, okay. Wrong question cannot be set, okay. So you check, is there anything I can do here? Because this one is not a perfect square, neither this one. So can I do something? So if you look at it, you can, okay, reduce the fraction. So 50 divided by 2, 50 over 2, you can reduce 50 over 32, okay, as if 2 divides 50, it will be 25, and 2 divides 32, it will be what? 16. So it can give us 25 over 16. So we can reduce that to what? 25 over 16. Are you getting it? So we are going to rewrite the question, and we will say this is 25 over what? 16. Then raised to power minus 3 over 2, okay, because you know that if 2 forms a root, okay, square root, it will give you a corresponding number. All right, so at this point there's a negative sign here. So, and I told us that anytime there's a negative sign, it means we are going to put 1, then all over the base, which is what? 25 over what? 16, okay. Then raised to power what? The power we have 3 over 2, okay. Then we move on to say we are still maintaining our 1 divided by, we know that 2 will form a root, which is square root. So we'll put square root, okay, of what? 25 over 16. All right. Then raised to power 3. Okay. So this will be equal to 1 divided by the square root of 25 is 5 over square root of 16 is what? 4. Okay. Then raised to power 3. Okay. So this means we are still writing our 1. Then 5 raised to power 3 means 5 times 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay. Then divided by 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Okay. So 1 is dividing, okay, 125 over what? 64. So according to the law of division, that we are going to write this one, and then this division sign will change to multiplication, and there will be what? An inverse of the next fraction, which is 64 all over 125. Okay, so that So that 1 times 64 is what? 64 all over 125. Okay, that is the answer.